Hello, Seattle. Welcome to Rainier
Vision Clink. We're going to find the original road where the motorcycle commercial was filmed. Go there, pay homage.
And then he was like, my name is Randy. I drove the motorcycle.
I said, Tim. I said, get yourself together.
How? Where?
What should we?
When the moon has passed through the heavens 3 times, we shall meet. You can't just go follow the sun north until you find the passage of the birds.
And where the heck are the birds going?
We had to type that. We had to type that crap into MapQuest.
Are you guys alone?
Yeah, we're alone. So you're the guy that rode the motorcycle?
I'm the guy.
Is this really the place?
It's nearby.
Will you show us?
What's with the helmet?
What? Safety first.
Rainy.
Remember.
That didn't go very well.
Ow!